To use Nervanix, we have to be able to install both ThinkGear as well as Clarity. So on my PC, I would receive the email on my Gmail account from our Chief Science Officer. And so it would show up in the updates folder of my Gmail. I'd go to file 1 of 2, down here to Clarity. So this file is going to contain an older version of Clarity and also the current version of ThinkGear. So we're going to download it. Pop up over here. Click into the download when it loads. We're going to go into Clarity Windows. TGC for ThinkGear Connector 3.2. So we're going to click ThinkGear Connector, extract all, extract. So then this will pop up. We're going to click ThinkGear Connector, and I already have it installed, so here we see that ThinkGear is already running. However, if you do not have it installed, it will pop up and say that ThinkGear is now running and that you can from then on use all devices that are Mindwave mobile and connect through ThinkGear. So you're ready to use our headset for Nervanix Clarity. We go back to our email and we find the newest update of Clarity, again a Hightail email. We're going to go and click download one more time for Clarity. It'll load. We're going to click it. Setup. We're going to go ahead and click more info. Run anyway. Now this is important because otherwise Clarity is not going to get set up. So we're going to make sure you do more info, run anyway. That'll pop up. Click yes. We're going to go next. Now this is optional, but it is a lot more convenient if you create a desktop icon for Clarity. Click next, additional icon, install. It'll load through the setup wizard. Then we're going to click finish. And here it is, Clarity, ready to be used. So thank you for watching the video, and if you need help with other Clarity products or aspects of Nervanix, please check out our YouTube channel.